Shahid Tharif, this is 20. On 27th Jan, there was a paper of JEE, right?
Yes, sir.
So this question I'm gonna give you. Please do. Very good, Shahid. Uh, Tharif, it's wrong. Okay, I'm going to explain. First, if you are going to do the configuration, oh, three options I have given. Just wait a minute. Three option is there only. Okay, so 3D6 and 3D7. 3D6, there will be 4 unpaired electron and 3d7 3 unpaired electron. Maximum magnetic moment, number of unpaired electron more. So the answer is 2. Is that clear? Moles of methane required to produce 22 gram of CO2. Moles of methane. So you are going to write a balanced chemical equation for this, and you will be getting carbon dioxide plus H2O, and this is how you are going to balance it. After balancing it, 22 gram CO2 units of you are going to calculate the number of moles. So you are getting half mole, right? How half mole you need to unit CO2, half mole of CO2. Now you are going to balance this. 1 mole of CH4 is going to give you 1 mole of this. That means half mole if you are getting CO2, that means CH4 is also half mole. But we need to calculate the mass. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. That is 16. So M will be equal to 8 gram. Is that clear? This is simple stoichiometric question. So the answer will be 8 gram. Boron has very high melting point. Yes, it has in its group. Boron has the highest melting point because of its is icosahedral structure. Icosahedral structure. So this is true. And boron has a strong crystalline lattice, that is icosahedral structure. That is also true. Please do. Any answer for the fourth? This is very simple. Sum of bond order here. Carbon monoxide makes triple bond. This also makes triple bond with lone pair. Positive charge over. So total it will be 6. How many following have +4 oxidation states? So first, if you are going to see, it will be your SOCl2 followed by SF4 if you are going to see, and then H2SO3 we can. H2SO4 if you are going to see, it will have +6. SO3 +6, and BSO4 this is also having +6. So 3 is the answer. PbCrO4 plus NaOH if you are excess, it will be Na2 is your uh, counter ion, and it will be PbOH whole. It becomes. So this will be your tetra anionic, and here it will be coordination number 4. So the answer is very simple. That is 4. NaCl, the NaCl plus H2SO4 plus K2Cr2O7 gives a product. Above reaction gives red fumes A, which on hydrolysis with aqueous NaOH gives yellow solution B. Compounds A and B we need to tell. So if you are going to react this, it will give you CrO2 Cl2 plus Na2SO4 plus K2SO4 plus H2. This is what you will get. It is an inorganic reaction. Now, after this, if you are going to above reaction gives red fumes A, which on hydrolysis with aqueous NaOH gives yellow B. So, just yes, there is an option. So this will be your A. And if you are going to react with CrO2 Cl2 with aqueous NaOH, you will be getting Na2CrO. You have read this reaction in D and F block, NaCl plus H2. So the answer is very simple. This is your A, and this is your B, which on hydrolysis with this B. That is order of spin only magnetic moment. Any answer for this? This is your very simple question. You just need to do the electronic configuration according to CFT or VBT. This is your weak field ligand. That means there will be not pairing. There will be not pairing as well. And if you're going to see, you can do this easily. If you're going to do the configuration, you will be getting 3D5, and it is weak field ligand. And if it is weak field ligand, it is not going to pair, and you will get P. P will have maximum number of unpaired electron, followed by this and then this. So the answer will be very simple, PR. Here, unpaired electron, if you are going to see, it will be 5. The next one will have unpaired electron 3, and the next one will have unpaired electron. Can you do this? Arif, have you got it? Shahid? Electronic configuration of this is very simple. 60 it is. You can take this xenon followed by 4F4, 6S2. Can I change the slide? Arif, are you there? I have taken only class 12, this class 12 question only. Very easy questions. Arif, am I audible?
So,
Are you able to solve this?
yes, MD.
11th one, NH4 whole twice CO3 is basic. That is your true. You know what? This NH4 whole positive. It will be, if you are going to dilute it, it will go in positive cation and this becomes negative CO3 minus 2. Electron rich. Acidic nature of salt of weak acid and weak base. It is dependent upon Ka and Kb. So this is also true. Both are true. Number of electrons present in compound filled subshell having n is equal to 4 and s is equal to plus r. Please tell me, this is a very simple question. So very simple it is. If you are going to see n is equal to 4, L will be equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 means S, 1 means P, and 2 means D, and 3 means F. You know that simple things, right? Now after this, if you are going to see plus half, that means in one box you have plus half and minus half. So we are concentrating for only plus half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what is the answer for 12? That is 16. Is that clear? This one is a good question, but it's also not sort of, you can do this easily. I'm going to explain this. So question number 13. First of all, you are going to rate the rate. The rate will be in terms of reactant. So HI raised to the power x, because this power is experimentally determined. And you are going to use this. The rate is given 1, 2, 3. So what I'm going to do, very simple, rate 2 upon rate 3, if I'm going to do rate 2 upon rate 1. So that will be cancelled and it's very easy to solve. So you are going to use rate 2 upon rate 1. What is rate 2? Rate 2 is your, you can use this HI 1 upon HI 2, and order of reaction does not change. So raised to the power x. And rate 2 has a value 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 7.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 1. HI1 is given as, HI2 is given as what? 0.01 it is given, and this is your 0.05. You just need to calculate the value of x. If you are going to calculate the value of x, this whole quantity will be solved with this, and x will be equal to 2. So here the order of reaction is 2. Is that clear? Question number 15 is your electrochemistry question. Very simple it is. This type of question we already did in class, and it is, I think it's repeated. 50 same question I have given. So if you are going to solve it, you will get an answer 108, the mass of silver. Okay, I'm gonna solve this too. Can I erase this part, Arif and Shahid? Arif, am I audible? Your JEE paper over, Shahid and Tharif?
The mine is on the 30th.
30th. And Shahid, what about you? Twenty-ninth. Okay. So I'm gonna erase this to explain that. Okay, for this question number 15, you know that when you are going to multiply mole into valence factor, that can be written as mole into valence factor of oxygen and silver we are going to take. Okay. So for this Kg and mole into valence factor of O2. So for the number of moles, if you are going to calculate even mass upon molar mass into n factor for Ag, Ag goes in plus 1, so 1. Mole, you can see given volume is 5600 ml, right? Divided by 22,400 ml. Okay. And what is the valence factor of O2? That is equal to 4. If you are going to solve this, you will be able to get this how many times? Just wait a minute. 224. If we are going to divide by 56, that comes out to be 4. 4 and 4 will be cancelled and W will be equal to 108 gram. Because equivalent weight will be equal to each other, that's why you can use this Faraday's second law. We just solved this question, which of the following has plus 4 oxidation state? So it's very simple. This is plus. Which halogen does not show variable oxidation state? That is fluorine. That will show only -1 oxidation state. Okay, is that clear? No one is more electronegative than fluorine, so it will be like this. Can I change the slide? These are all class 12 concept. You can do this and you should do this. This is very simple. If you're going to see S block elements can be found on Earth in pure form. That is false, right? Not true. This is most reactive, and this first one is true. Very good, Sadiq. Which of the following compound is most acidic? When this type of question is going to give, you are going to take that carbon which has most acidic hydrogen. Like if you are going to take this hydrogen, this is your aldehyde, you cannot take this hydrogen. Okay, alpha hydrogen. Basically, what I told you, alpha hydrogen you will see. So alpha hydrogen is there, alpha hydrogen is there, alpha hydrogen is also there. Now, if you are going to remove this, if you are going to remove this, there will be negative charge, H positive, and it will be in conjugation. That is good thing. If you are going to remove this will be in conjugation with this. If you are going to remove this will be conjugation. That means it is alpha hydrogen, acidic it is. Now for this, alpha hydrogen, alpha hydrogen. Either there will be negative, there will be negative. If you are going to alpha hydrogen, alpha hydrogen. But if you are going to see, this is your alpha hydrogen, which is this CH2 is also called active methylene. What does it called? Active methylene, and it is most acidic hydrogen because this negative charge can have cross conjugation with this as well as this. So the answer is 3. Is that clear? Question number 20, it's 4 wrong answer. Bronsted acid. See why it is wrong answer. First of all, always remember that this aliphatic will be greater than aromatic. So this is gone. This is also, you can see this is also aromatic because in conjugation it's also gone. This is non-aromatic. This is also non-aromatic. If you are going to see correctly, this lone pair, since Bronsted base we are talking about, right? Electron pair donor. So this lone pair is busy in resonance with this one. And since it is busy, it will not donate that much as compared to this. So this will easily donate and the answer will be 3. Is that clear? Correct. SN1 is your racemization, that is correct. But SN2 is not retention. SN1 is racemization, that is correct. And SN2 is inversion. So the answer is 2. Isn't it easy? This question they took, if you're going to see the concept or the question in NCRT amines chapter, you will get it easily. Please do it. Very good, Farid. The first one, 22, answer is first. What do you have written? Can you come again? 22, 22.
Sorry, sir, it was 23.
23 is wrong, Farid. Which one will be the most acidic? Acidic, that means minus
Yes,
withdrawing power.
phenol.
So in which withdrawing power is maximum, this and this. So I think second will be the most, followed by this. First of all, this is your alcohol. It will come at last because phenol is more acidic than alcohol. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is 2 withdrawing group, 1 withdrawing group, and this is plus M, which decreases the acidic strength of this. So this is second, first, followed by third, and then fifth, and then fourth. So the answer is 1. Very good. So in this, you are going to give preference to that carbon which has greater number of hydrogen. So the name will be 3-ethyl 1,1 dimethyl cyclohexane. Do question number 26 and 25. Very easy question they are. Question number 25. 3. Did you say 3? Arif, cyclohexene it is, right? So cyclohexene is like this. How can it be benzenoid? Acyclic it is not. This is your cyclic. Benzenoid aromatic, this is also alicyclic, we call it. Which of the following is a polar solvent? Very simple. This is this CsP3, and that is surrounded by same group. Mu will be equal to 0, non-polar. This is also non-polar, so the answer is 2. Chloroform. Is that clear? Can I change the slide, both of you? Harif,
Yes, sir.
can you change the slide?
Yes, sir.
What happens, Sahil? Please do respond. Have you got the JEE paper? JEE means yes or no? Very good. So the answer for this, when a nucleophile forms dimer, it is called nucleophile forms dimer. The linkage present between is called phosphodiester. This is your NCERT question. Only they introduced is stereoisomers. No, 6 is not the right answer. See, this is your lone pair. If you want to tell about plus M and minus M, first of all, plus M is ortho and para directing, or we call it a ring activating. And minus M is meta directing. Meta directing. Metal, I wrote it. What it is? Meta directing. And it is ring deactivating. How you are going to recognize? Very simple. If single bond and group is attached, just wait a minute. If single bond and group is attached with lone pair, it will donate. and becomes plus M. If double bond and lone pair is there, it will withdraw and becomes minus N. Now I'm going to show you. This is your single bond lone pair, so it will donate, it is your plus N. This is your single bond and lone pair plus N. This CO, that means what? C double bond O, R is like this, ketone. Doubly bonded lone pair, it will start withdrawing. So this will be your minus M. Chlorine lone pair single bond, it will be your plus M. C double OH, that means C double bond O and OH. Again, you can see double bond lone pair, it will start withdrawing minus M. Single bond lone pair, it will donate plus M. Now again, NO2 double bond O and then O. There is lone pair, so and double bond, it will start withdrawing minus M. Now again, if you are going to see C triple bond N, lone pair is there, pi bond is coming, so it will start withdrawing. So this will be acting as minus M, CH2. So total minus M is 1, 2, 3, and then comes your 4. The answer is 4. The rest is plus. Is that clear? Are you done with this? Side and Thari. See, what about this? This HBr in the presence of peroxide is anti-Marconi. What does anti-Marconi says? Negative part will go to that carbon which has lesser number of hydrogen. So it will go, sorry, greater number of hydrogen. That negative part will go to that carbon which has greater number of hydrogen, positive to this part, which has lesser number of hydrogen. So it will be like something like this. Now this is